How to fix we cannot find a camera compatible with Windows Hello Face in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are facing this issue, there are 3 possible solutions that you can try on. To start up with, make sure that the camera permission has been given. To check for this option, you have to open the settings on your laptop. Go to the apps and then click on Installed Applications. Search for camera and tap on it. Under App Permissions, make sure to toggle on the option of camera. After this, let's move on to the next solution. For this, we need to update the drivers of camera. Open Device Manager by searching it and then go to Cameras, right-click on the adapter and driver and update it. Now, moving on to the last solution. For this, we need to search for services.msc on the Run tab or just simply open the services. After this, go to the W written section and search for Windows Biometric Service. You have to right-click on it and start the service. If it's already started, restart it once, and after that, restart the computer. This should probably fix the issue. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.